All right, guys, we got another one right here. Check it out. Came from the auction. Not bad. 2014 Dodge 2500. It's all right. It will do the job. This will haul ass all day. Needs about a handful of parts to fix this, but look at the interior. Holy cow, clean. So this thing is a government vehicle. They use this for their service. Who knows, working on the side of the road, doing maintenance, I don't know. But wow, new tires, rusty old suspension, but it holds. So what it needs on this is a bearing, both sides on the front, and I believe upper and lower bolt joint. Little dings right there on the hood, fender rust right there. Same thing on this side. We got the rust. We get the light right there, beacon light, rail protection right there. We get the cab. Wow, lots of dings, rust right there. Yeah, this will be my new content. You know, we'll change up the front suspension on this, so stay tuned, guys. We'll make more videos and catch up and see what's going on.
Keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot down tailspin airplane. Scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath. But I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway.
Not bad. Run. Tow truck guy said that it's a nice truck you guys got here. He said, I was surprised he said that because I've never seen one before this close. All I saw is a picture at the website. I was surprised that he said that. Right, it's gonna quickly park this.
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot down tailspin airplane. Scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath. But I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just a whistle of a long black train. You know when it's coming for you, riding in